Hello, my friends. How have you guys been doing? How this 2020 treating you guys? I know I sound like kind of like a joker of asking that because 2020 is really not a joke. Like everyone is saying like it need to update and I feel like it really need to update. Everywhere is messed up. Like a lot of things is happening. It's just crazy, but still we need to you need to continue our life, and that's what we're doing. Anyway, I can see that I'm literally sitting in the floor today. Whole day I was doing a lot of video, and after I finished I was just preparing some stuff, so I thought of making another video and showing you guys my night care routine. So today in this video giving you guys a chance to get unready with me, and as well as show you guys my night care routine. Really hot here right now, guys, and if I'm looking oily, excuse me. I don't know why my earcon is not really working. Alright guys, so the skincare routine I'm going to share with you guys, that's my go-to nighttime skincare routine. Like I am someone who don't use a lot of skincare product. Like if something worked for me well, I will use it like for a while. It's not like I don't try new products, but I don't try new product a lot. Like every time I surprise my skin with new products, I don't do that. So yeah, in this video I'm going to share that basic night care routine. So yeah, so let's just start the video. Alright guys, so now you guys are with me in my washroom just because I want to wash my face and I want you guys to see every single thing step by step, including washing my face. So just bear with me. So yep, let me take out all the jewelries first, and I also want to open music. So let's see what music we want to open. I normally, whenever I wash my face, I will open a music, you know, make that kind of mood, and then start doing like the stuff, I mean cleaning stuff. Okay, so what music we are going to listen? We have to keep in mind that copyright thingy as well, so yeah, that's not bad. Just like relax music. No. Alright, so the first thing, of course, oh, the music is too loud. Okay. The first thing, of course, I want to tie my hair so it don't bother me. Am I cleaning my face? So I just want to tie it like that. It's cute, isn't it? I love it. Alright, so the first thing, I'm of course going to take off my makeups, and I'm using simple this one. This is their micellar water clean. This one is really good, and this take off literally everything from your face. You can see how easy it was. It took everything literally. Alright, now for the fresh wash, I'm going to use this Purity fresh wash. This one, I don't know from how many years I'm using it. I'm still using it. I love this one so much, like so much, and I love to use it at night mostly because it's really gentle to your skin and it don't irritate my skin at all. I have dry combination skin, so a lot of time fresh wash will make my skin more dry, and this one don't do that, and I love it. So this is my go-to fresh wash ever. So I'm just taking the fresh wash in my hand and then just going to wash my face. And then all you're gonna do, wash with water. Alright guys, so my skin look already so fresh. Now for the face scrub, I'm using this one from Body Shop, and this one their Drop of Light. I don't know, this is like too much light. You cannot even see good, but I hope you can now. This one have vitamin C, and this one's supposed to brighten your skin complexion. So this is really liquid. I mean liquid. This is supposed to be liquid, but yeah, this one you need to just massage it for a while, massage it for a while, massage it. Oops, sorry for my phone. Ooh. And now I'm just going to wash it with water. Alright guys, so now my skin is completely clean and dry. Now I'm going for a serum, and this one from Cappies. This is their antioxidant duo. This is like a serum, and this one I actually got from BoxyCharm. I freaking love this serum. This is so good. This makes your skin so soft and smooth. I just love it. Now if you guys are not familiar with BoxyCharm, then you should, because you get to try a lot of new products like this, and I love it. And I actually don't know that do this brand really sell this serum or not, because behind it it's written that it's especially made for BoxyCharm, but I hope they do. I really hope, because I really love this serum, and it do have a little bit smell to it, but nothing that's gonna bother you. And guys, whenever you are going to apply anything in your skin and you want to do the massage, you don't want to do the massage like downward. You always want to massage upward, just like this, until it dry. By the way guys, it gives you a little bit sticky kind of feeling, but it don't stay. It will go throughout the time. But yeah, if you are someone you are really irritated from the stickiness, then you might want to think about it again. But for me, I don't mind at all with the stickiness. Like, I don't mind. If you are working, dude, I'm gonna have you anyway. Now for my under eye, I'm using this cream, and this one from Mart. This is their hydration eye cream. I don't know, today my camera really having hard time to focus. This is really hydrating under your eye. So I'm just gonna take a tiny bit and then just apply under my eyes, and then I'm just going to massage it in a very light hand, and I'm also going to take it in my eyelid, above of my eyelids, and then you are just going to use a tapping motion and then just massage it until the eye cream dry down. Alright guys, so now for the moisturizer, I'm using this one and this one from First Aid Beauty. And this moisturizer, guys, everything, it is so smoothing to my skin. As I told you, I have dry combination skin, but more to dry, and I don't have that much of breakout. But if I have, I will always go back to this moisturizer, and in the morning my skin will look like $1,000,000, smooth and soft. So this is also one of my long-term love that I'm using from so long, and I love it because I trust it. So this one is thick, really thick, so really great for dry skin people out there. I'm just gonna massage it. Alright guys, so moisturizer also done. Now last thing that I'm going to do is spray my face with this spray, like not setting spray, but spray with my face with this one. This one from Makeup Revolution. This one their Essence Fruity spray, and this one is vegan and cruelty free, and this one have really that fresh fruity kind of smell that will give you like that fresh feeling, and that's the only reason I use it. Oh, wow, and I used a lot of it. I'm just gonna wait a little good time to dry everything out, but pretty much that's all for my nighttime skincare, like my basic nighttime skincare. But there are a few days when I will do like face mask, face scrub, sheet mask. Like those are like, you know, the special day in a week, one day that I really want to treat my skin really good. I really want to clean, like so good clean. I will do that, and sometimes I have other skincare product that I will use depending on situation. But these, whatever I use in this video, that's the main thing that I use, and from so long. So I really trust each and every product that I used in this video, and they're really good. If you guys didn't catch the name or I didn't explain good because my camera was really giving me like a hard time to focus, then don't worry, I'll put everything in the description below with the link and the name, so you can just search and get the product. Whoa, hi guys! Oh my god, I feel like I literally broke some of my body part. Oh my god, I was wearing a ring that just flied. Alright, so I was going to sleep and I thought of opening my camera for a while because I feel like I didn't tell you guys goodbye. So yeah, I'm in my funny, cute Tom and Jerry, or what is this? This is kitty night dress. So I hope you guys enjoyed my nighttime routine, and yeah, that's my basic nighttime routine that I already told you. So that's all in my night. I mean, after I wash my face, I just sit for a while. I used my phone for a while. Now I'm so sleepy because here it's almost 4. It's 3:52, so it's super late. I know I'm kinda like, my voice kinda like sound like broken radio. So I don't want to make this so long. So guys, take care and good night.